Hi guys, I am so excited to show you my Ipsy icon box for May 2023. This just came in the mail and I went through the box and I tried everything on, and there's a lot of stuff in here, so here we go. But if you're new to my channel, I do get Ipsy every month, well, formerly known as BoxyCharm. I get the icon box, I get the beauty boost, and then I get the base box when that comes. So they do give you like a little magazine. They're trying to be like FabFitFun, I guess. And I did write some of the prices on the side. But this month's box is curated by Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and they give a little bit about the brand, how Anastasia started with brow products, and then it shows all the different products you could have got in your box and like the prices. So they just pretty much show you everything, and it's I actually really like this month's box, spoiler, but I did see some other unboxings that weren't so great. So we're just gonna pick up items and show you guys what I got. My brows are kind of crazy right now. So how about we show you guys what they chose for me. I did get the Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose Palette. People are either getting this one, the Modern Renaissance, or the Mini Soft Glam Palette, I believe. But I am happy that they chose this for me because this is one of their newer palettes. And here is the color story. And it's pretty, but I'm not actually, once I was using it in my eyes, I wasn't crazy about it. It's very warm and like peachy, and it's not my favorite color story, honestly. I guess this is supposed to be like a blush and a bronzer. This shade is just not right for a bronzer for me. And this was okay, but they're definitely pigmented like eyeshadows, so maybe they're just bigger eyeshadows. I don't know. But this palette does retail for $55. They did choose the cream bronzer for me, I believe. And they chose the shade, which I'm not crazy about. I liked how BoxyCharm let you choose the shade, because this is definitely not right for me. I want to say this is in warm tan. Like, even when I'm fair, I don't go for colors like this. I guess it would give like a really natural look, but I prefer something with, I don't know, a little darker than this. But it does feel really creamy and nice, the formula. I just wish I got a different shade. And the cream bronzer retails for $35. And I did pay for it was around 60 something for the box. And then for the booty boost, it was like 13 something. And the prices, I noticed the prices in the Ipsy store, if you want to purchase like add-ons or other products, it's a lot more pricey than the BoxyCharm store was. They also chose the concealer for me, the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, and they chose the shade 2, which is very, very fair. I mean, I could get use out of it. It's a nice brightening shade, and the wand's kind of strange. It has this like curve to it, and the formula feels nice. I do have it on today. It is pretty decent coverage, so I'm not mad at the formula. And the concealer retails for $29. Now I'll go into some of the products I believe I chose. I'm trying to do this on memory. I did choose this Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Buff. I did see somebody else get a different shade, but they didn't give me like shade options. They only had this shade, but I thought it was pretty. I am wearing it right now with like a reddish lip liner. I thought it was pretty, and the formula does feel really creamy, like a satin formula. So I'm happy to have this. This is $32. I believe I chose this, or maybe they chose it for me. I think I chose this. Is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream, which I'm so happy. I love Glow Recipe. Anytime I can get Glow Recipe in a box, I love it. And this retails for $38. I did try it. It felt lightweight, hydrating. It is scented a little bit. It has that sweet like guava scent, but it wasn't strong or overpowering in my opinion. And I don't know, it's so cute. I'm very happy. And I did choose this product. I love getting hair care. You could have got like, I got some of my hair on it. You could have got like skincare or different products, but this is like a mousse. It's a Vena Nutra Plenish Styling Treatment Foam for medium to thick hair. I'm happy I get this. I chose this because I do like mousse for my hair because I do like to air dry my hair and like scrunch it. So happy to get this. I also chose this. This is the Alterna. I'm not sure the brand. It's a Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Multi-Styling Air Dry Balm. So I love these types of creams for your hair, and especially to help with frizz and like letting your hair air dry. I just enjoy products like this. I'm sure you could use it if you blow dry your hair. It doesn't really matter. It just helps smooth out your hair. Okay, and for my beauty boost, I think I paid like extra $13 a month for this. And in my last video, I was kind of disappointed because I felt like it's kind of a lot just to get a product when they sell stuff on their store and you could just choose something. But their stuff, like I said, they sell stuff kind of expensive in their store. So it is kind of getting a deal, and they did give me a few choices to choose from, and this is what they recommended, but they give me like 4 or 5 other choices, but I ended up just going with this. This is the Ole Henderson. It is a Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer, and Ole Henderson is a really good brand. I do have the vitamin C one and I enjoy, and I did try this and it was really thick and hydrating. I feel like it would be really nice to use at night. Now I did pick 2 add-ons. They were $12.99 a piece, and I chose this from KVD. It's like their gel contour. I threw out the box, so I don't know the name of the product, but it's like a kind of looks like a concealer packaging. And here's the shade. They did give me a couple options of shades to choose from, and I thought this would be the one that best what I would like. But this is so interesting. It is lightweight. It's like a gel, and I feel like it kind of blends into nothing almost, but I feel like if you don't like cream bronzers because they could be too much, too overpowering, too pigmented, and you want something really easy to blend, this might be it for you. You want something to look more natural. I know Jessica Braun really loves this product, but then I did hear people didn't like this product because it's not pigmented enough. So I guess it just depends on your preference, but I only used it once and I did kind of like it, but I'll keep playing with it. And another product that my add-on for $12.99 was a 3-piece brush set. And the reason I chose this is because it's from L M Miss Glam. She has a YouTube channel. Her name's Stephanie, and I love her channel. Her whole thing is really pink, girly. She has like the most gorgeous house. She lives in Calgary, Canada, and she has a beautiful home. She has twin daughters. I don't know. I just enjoy her channel and her vlogs. And I do know she has a little brush company and she works with Ipsy. So I was like, you know what? Why not? Because her brushes are kind of expensive. You purchase them from her website. Here's the 3 brushes, and I did use them. This one I tried to use for blush and bronzer, but it's a little floppy. I feel like it would be better for like highlighter or powder, like under eye powder. This one I tried to use for highlighter too, but I feel like, what is it called? Oh, it's a blush brush. I didn't see that it said it. Yeah, this would be probably good for cream blush. And this just says flat face brush. And then this one is an eye blending brush, which I actually thought was really nice because it's smaller and you could like pinpoint where you want the eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm happy to get these little brushes. Now I got a few more other products I want to show you. So when we had BoxyCharm, you would review your products, you would earn charms. The charm store I felt like wasn't really good, and it was kind of tricky to cash in your charms to get products. Like, it was kind of confusing, and there was a time I accidentally purchased it with my own money instead of using my charms, had to email them, this whole thing. So I kind of avoided picking stuff. So I have a ton of charms. Well, it all carried over to Ipsy, and the way you redeem your points on Ipsy is so much easier. You just hit redeem, like, it's so easy. And I have a ton of points. I just redeemed a bunch today too. So I'll show you guys what I got for free with redeeming my points. I got the Refreshments brand Pearly Body Wash in Ginger Splash. I haven't tried it. I'm not actually a huge fan of ginger, but I mean, it smells okay, but I know it's free. So, and the points do expire pretty quick. I don't think they ever expired on BoxyCharm's website, but on Ipsy they do. So I just want to use them up. I also chose this Spa Headband in Peachy Clean. This is also from the Refreshments brand. They do have a subscription with Refreshments where you get like razors every month. I did do the free, they had like a free thing where you could get their razor for free, and it's actually really good, but I canceled the subscription. Maybe in the future I might do it, but this actually seems like a really nice headband. Yeah, it is. I mean, it's on messily, but to get your hair out of your face when you're doing your skincare or your makeup, this is really nice. It doesn't feel too tight, and I really like that it's just Velcro, so it doesn't really mess up your hair too much. I also chose these scrunchies. It is the Scrunch Bunch scrunchie set, also from Refreshments. And you get 3 scrunchies. I mean, they're cute. They're colorful. They kind of have like that satin material to help. I don't think it's silk, more like satin, but still, it will be less breakage on your hair. I do not use like hair elastics anymore. It has to be scrunchy, something soft, because that broke my hair so bad using those like just black hair ties. And then I got something really small. This is also for free. It is the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. Just a little guy. So yeah, this is everything. Overall, I think I got an awesome icon box. They chose well for me. I am very happy with the choices that I had, much better than last month. But like I said, I did see some other people's boxes that were not so great. And I did see Karen MUA here on YouTube. She had a product completely explode all in her boxes, because all the protection we get in the boxes is this. Like, BoxyCharm, we used to get the foam, and I don't know, I never really had any issues with anything breaking in my box. And I had my box since 2018. Maybe once I had like a broken eyeshadow or something, but the palette wasn't destroyed. Like, the product completely exploded in her box. It was everywhere. And her box just wasn't great in general. Like, she got the Modern Renaissance palette, which she was kind of disappointed about. And I understand that. And I don't know, it was just, I felt like her box is very underwhelming. So if you guys get this box, let me know if your box is good too, because my box was great. But I guess it's just a preference, you know, what you get. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Like I said, I'm very happy, and I'll probably do a video soon, maybe using some of these products so you can see them in action. So I'll see you later. All right, bye guys.